Hello, welcome to the Little Guest House. This time we get some beer from Sweden. One of my neighbors are from Sweden and he brought some beer with him. Funny thing is, if you, I don't know if you can see it, if you see the label, you would say, well, this beer or this can is in the wrong shell. It doesn't remind me of beer. But it says real good lager. So let's try. See what it looks like. Okay. Well, it's not bitter. It has a very mild flavor, very thin. Uh, for me, I like more little bitter beer, so I'm missing some action here. I don't recognize the after, or I cannot put a point to the aftertaste because it's hard to describe. Pine tree taste, a very thin taste. Well, it's interesting beer, different from everything else I know. I mean, even the American beers are a lot different from this kind of beer. It's yeah, you have to be a person that likes it, and it's good. Every person likes different beer, and this is working. If you're thirsty, it's ice cold now, and it's good for being thirsty. Okay, cheers. And I got some Spanish sausage. I mean, you recognize these from Mexico. It's chorizo. If you can eat them like they are, or if you have to put them in the pan. They smell very good. So I'm not sure. Got my knife. Swiss knife. Yeah, you have to definitely put it in the pan. See what it looks like inside. Smells very good. I don't know if it's smoked or not. It has a little smoky flavor, but that might be from maybe they use smoked paprika for the spice. It's very red, so it has a lot of paprika spice in it, and that gives it the color. Let's put them in the pan or on the barbecue or on my high-end grill. Okay, let's try. Okay, the grill should have a good temperature. We put them on. Temperature outside is around the 70, so that's not bad. I got a little action right now going on. Fat is coming out. I just thought, is it okay to put it on the barbecue or just goes into a stew or cook them? Because they're smelling very good. So they're not popping or doing any funny things, just getting ready. By the way, they're 100% pork meat, so that's nothing for the steak eaters. I guess it doesn't matter. I like steak, so, but I also like pork. And Germany are a pork nation. So let's see, they're on the plate now. Let's give it a little cut. Juicy. Hi guys, I think you don't believe it. I just forgot the last shot of the video. So I have to tell you how the sausage tasted. Well, these didn't give the best results just eating from the barbecue or from the grill. I'm probably also not frying them in the pan. Sausage I will recommend for using in a stew because it has a lot of flavor that goes best into the stew. You can eat it. Maybe if you cut it and put it on a piece of bread, it would be even better. But it's not a bratwurst. Sorry for this. I hope you liked the video so far, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.